So, sorry guys, I just accidentally quit the video, so I have to make a new one. This is part 2. This is part 2 of making it. So in my first one, I accidentally quit it. So now I'm going to use this. Get the other one. Do the same as the first video. Do this as the same first video. Now you do this. Sorry, there's like a human here. It's just my lolas walking around. By the way, make sure to like and subscribe. You have to also do the same as the other side. Don't you forgot how to do this. Just look at the first video. Okay, we're done. Now, you cut it at the align. Align the... Okay. So you cut it, make sure to be aligned, because if it's not aligned, it look like it just came out new. So like this. So like this, guys. Sorry, it's a little wrong. So to retape it. Now you just wait. I'm gonna do something. Now I'm back. I'm sorry, it's like landscape. So now you just do the same as the other side. My battery was just low, that's why. So I just started charging it. Oh shit! So like this, you do this. Sorry, it looks poor. So sorry, it doesn't look nice. It's my old one. I need the real paper. I'm using my test, so it's going to be hard. So I'm just bending my tape. Add the tape right, just. If you can't do it, you have to start from here. It's like this. It's like this. Now you get tape. Also do the same on the other side. Like this. So now like this. Now also do this on the other
Huwag ka na
side.
magpalit. Mamaya, sumakit pa siya mo.
This down.
Mamaya, sumakit pa yung tiyan.
Now you put this here. Like this. Whoopsies. Mistake. Let's do it. Guys, hold up.
Wala kang magagawa.
Nothing's wrong. So now I just need to remove one.
Yung sinipid mo na limang piso.
Like this. Now there's an extra the side. Just cut it. That's what I did. It's cut it. It's done. The two are done. After that, we're going to do the roof. It's supposed to be like this. After that, the finishing results might be like this. Like my first one in the first video. So now, get another paper. You only need 3 papers only. You get this. Open. Now, cut it in half. Until you get
Ano ba yung mga natapon mo sa akin dito?
now I just have to cut it in half. Sorry about the background. So now we just put this here. Do the same as kanina.